What's up everybody, Pete with Auto Repair Tips. In this video, I got a 1986 Ford F150. This customer here brought me the vehicle. He's the third owner of this car. Since day one, this thing's been kept up. It's got the original paint. Anytime you need anything, they took care of this truck. This truck has been well maintained. Cool thing about this truck, it was built locally here in Norfolk, Virginia. Well, here's where we are right now. A few years back, he put a Jasper engine in this thing. It was running decent for a while. Then he started having some ignition problems. He's put new distributors, new pickups, new ignition modules, new cool packs. He's done everything to this thing. Every time he does it, he says he drives it for a little bit and it just goes out again. The last time he just recently put a brand new distributor in this thing for like the second time. Drove it, cut off, and nothing. So in this video, we're gonna see if we can figure out what's going on with this ignition system. Let's get into it. The good thing about working on these older vehicles, you can use just simple tools. Jumper leads, a test light, a spark plug that shows spark. They're very simple to work on. So let's spin it over, let's see if it starts. So we definitely don't have any spark. Got plenty of fuel, I've already checked that. So what I'll do is I'll take this fake spark plug and I'm gonna put it right here. I call it a fake spark plug. It just checks for spark. If you look right here when I go to spin it, we'll see if there's any spark. All right, we don't have anything. So let me show you what we do. This goes to your ignition module on the side of the distributor. 9 out of 10 times this top wire is called the PIP wire, PIP. I think it stands for physical ignition pickup or something like that. Not 100% sure. So if we back probe, this top wire, I think I got it on there good. I already heard a spark. We back probe that top wire and you take your test light and you hook it to the ground side of the cable. And we'll touch it right inside here. See it right there? Look at it sparking. So right there, that tells me the ignition module, it has the capability of sending the correct information to create a spark. It tells me that the ignition coil is good because that wire is coming right off the coil. And the last thing it's telling me is the pickup inside the distributor is bad. So basically, he got another bad distributor. By doing this, you're creating that spark. This is taking the place of the pickup. Now, I can almost bet you, every time I do this to a vehicle, an older vehicle, and we put this coil wire back on here, it does something to that pickup. It like wakes it up. I can almost guarantee, and I'll be surprised if it don't, go in there, I can probably start this vehicle now. Well, I think that pickup is just gone. So if I was a betting man, I'd have lost that bet, because 9 out of 10 times when you do that and you throw that coil back on there, boom, it starts right up. Not a big deal. I talked to this customer and told him, I said, you know, if you're gonna keep this truck and it's gonna be something he wants to drive every day, go get an MSD. Get a MSD distributor, coil, and some wires, and let's put this thing together with an MSD. At least you know you're getting something that's going to be a lot better than going to like an O'Reilly's or an Advance or Rock Auto or something like that. Because, you know, that's why you get like a lifetime warranty on half these parts, because 9 out of 10 times they're crap parts. You're just buying crap. That's all it is to it. And it's sad because, like I say, this is, I think he said the second, yeah, I believe this is the second distributor that he's put on this thing. And they keep going out. All right, let me talk to the customer, see if he wants to order them parts. He can get them himself. I don't need to buy those, save himself some money. When they come in, you don't need to see me put the distributor in. That's just pretty basic. But once I get that distributor in, we'll go ahead and get the camera back on. We'll get this thing running, fire it up, and see how it sounds. All right, I will catch y'all in a little bit. All right, Carl just finished installing the MSD distributor, the coil, and the wires. So let's see if this thing starts up. All right, here we go. 2 times the charm. All right, starts up great. The next thing we're gonna do is find that little spout for the timing. We were looking for it a minute ago. Normally they're right around here. I don't see it here. I'm not sure if someone's moved it or cut the wires are cut or what, but we're gonna hunt that down. Once we get that done, we'll pull that little connector out, start it up, set the timing to 10 degrees, and this job is done. All right, that's it for this video. I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Catch you later.